Welcome to another video. This is Quick Quirks with Elaine, and today we're going to Davenport Beach in Santa Cruz, California. Let's go. Okay, the road to getting to Davenport is very windy. Lots of sharp turns, and if you're like prone to nauseous or you're not comfortable driving in these windy roads, then definitely this is not ideal beach for you. But it's supposed to be really beautiful and a nice pier and the swing and all that, so we're gonna check it out. Alright, we're about to see a lighthouse on the coast. Slobber. Stress slobbers. Side rock action. Wall rock. What's that called? Side roof. What is this called? Cliffside. Cliffside. Okay guys, we're almost there. We just stopped for a scenic shot. I'll show you guys a shot right now. Salad. It's from Costco. It's a salad kit. It's like filled with cabbage and all sorts of things with like nuts and whatnot, like cranberries, poppy seed dressing. Yeah, it's really good and very filling. So anyway, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna eat out at a restaurant, a Mexican restaurant. So I ate this first so that we're eating it so that it's yeah, we're a little bit more full. We don't have to eat as much at the restaurant. And I'll show you guys both. So we're about 8 minutes out from Davenport, the town, and around the beach area there's a few restaurants. So I just picked one of the top 3, and one of them happens to be a Mexican restaurant. And we'll let you guys know how it goes. Hi guys, so we're on our way home from Davenport. I am stuffed as well as a tiny bit of burn. Yeah, so it was a fun day. Got some beautiful, beautiful shots. I'm going to show you guys those shots right now. Guys, so that's Davenport. We got some great footage, some pictures of Maddie. She loved the water. It's a great beach. It was a little rocky, steep rocky downhills and uphills to get to that beach. And then we had the lunch across the street and pretty windy, but Maddie loved it. She still got all sandy and whatnot. Tips for Davenport is that it's good for a family. It's super windy, so definitely bring layers. Sunblock. And food if you guys plan on it, but definitely have everything in packs, like a backpack or some kind of carry friendly situation, because you will be going down some rocks, so you wouldn't want to bring like a big cooler or anything like that. It's really nice. They have like train tracks where a lot of people were doing photo shoots. So
It's very scenic.
very scenic views, really good for photo shoots, and good for family fun. So, and it's super sandy. Of course, it's a beach, and the waves are super crashy. So definitely you need to keep a handle on your baby at all times if you have a baby and dogs and whatnot. And there were a lot of dogs there and a lot of people, and it was a lot of fun. And that is that. So, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments down below if you enjoy this video or you have other, if you've been to Davenport before or whatnot. What are your thoughts? Alright, so see you guys in the next one. Bye!